Today I want to talk about roast potatoes. Now everyone's got their own little secret for roast potatoes, so if you have any tips for me, I'd appreciate them if you scroll down to the comment section and put in your comments or remarks about roast potatoes. Now I don't know who invented squashed or smashed potatoes, but to me they roast potatoes on steroids. And that person, whoever they are, should win the Nobel Prize for food. So I'm going to show you how I do what I call squash potatoes. You can call them what you like. But this is the sequence that I use. The first thing I do is get a couple of potatoes, wash them, make sure they're nice and clean. I leave the jackets on, and then I just make a few holes in the skin so that they don't explode. Because my first step is to microwave them as you would do a jacket potato in the microwave. That saves a lot of messing around, and I'll show you in a moment. So we stick them in a little bowl with the lid on. We go to our microwave, and you might have a different one, but get them in there and put them on a setting for, say, like jacket potatoes. Mine says vegetables, and then I know number 6 is jacket potatoes. So I hit that. So that'll go for a few minutes, and then I'll take them out the oven, out the microwave, and show you what they look like and what the next step will be. So just keep watching. Right, those potatoes seem to be ready now, so I'll just take them out. Oh, there they are. So now we'll transfer them to our bowl for the oven. And then, a little bit hot, but I can handle it. Cut them in half, flap them open. It's a little bit warm for my fingertips. Okay, and just give them a bit of space like that. And then, I don't know why I do this, but I just put a few nicks first. And then you can take a fork or a spoon, and this is where the squashed or smashed word comes from, because you're flattening them. And they go a little bit powdery, but that's good, because the next step is to put some oil on. I use olive oil, you can use what you like, and that sucks into that powdery potato, so it helps with the crispiness at the end, and that's what we're trying to achieve, is crisp roast potatoes. So here we go with the oil. Just liberally drizzle it on, but try and get it evenly over the whole thing, because you don't want any dry patches. That should do it. And then finally, a little bit of salt. There we go. That's the first step. Now we put them in the oven. They usually take about an hour in the oven at 180 degrees. So I'll slip them in the oven, and then if you keep watching, we'll have a look and see how they look a bit later. Here we go. So we give that an hour, and then we can come back and have a look at them. Right, we've been going about an hour now, so those potatoes should be done. We'll have a quick look at them. There we go, that doesn't look too bad. Might even try this little piece. Listen to that. Superb. Fantastic. So that's my version of squashed potatoes. Now, if you found this useful or you think it's a good idea, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And also click on the bell if you'd like to get more videos from this channel, because if you click on the bell, you'll get a reminder when a new video comes online. Thanks for watching.